morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is who's this? Marie. Yeah. So Marie's back. So very nice to have her back here.
Okay.
And like, yeah, she punched me already. So I was missing that. So yeah, very nice day. Just the fact that we have Marie back.
Me too.
At some point, we're gonna have Zach from what I know too, but we will see. Yeah. So Marie, how are you doing?
Definitely doing better. I'm back.
Nice. Very nice.
It was crazy. 3 weeks.
Yeah, that like we all got the same virus, and like I can tell you, I laid down for 3 days, and that was not pleasant. Like I mean, yeah, I just stand up from there to eat something, go back to bed, and like, yeah, it's horrible.
Horrible, horrible,
Yeah,
horrible.
yeah. So very glad to have you here, and
Yay,
it's,
thank you. It's really nice to be back.
yeah, very nice.
Back and really to, especially what a crazy time.
Yeah.
What a crazy time. It's just been, it's nice to see what, like, geopolitically it's been absolutely crazy. But it's so nice to see that SPY is recovering today because with everything happening across the world, a lot of our allies pulling out of the U.S. market, it's nice to see that things seems to be a little bit more stable today. What about you, Davey?
Yeah, yeah, all good. We're doing good here, and
Love your
like-
new coffee.
nice. Yeah, I'm just trying something different. Like I mean, I was sick of the other because like in the same can, like I had like different batches, so the same kind of coffee. Like you get sour sometimes, and like I don't know why that happened, but it's happening every. So I used to shake it to make it even, but I said let's try something different. So yeah. Yeah, nice that you like the coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, the weekend was like I shovel and remove snow like crazy, like a lot. Like the snow I removed from the roof, in the garage, it was the height of my car. Like because I have to shut it down, like shoot that from the roof and then from the roof to outside. So it's like.
Oh, it's been crazy.
But yeah, doing very good in general, and trying to learn more things. I have things I want to show you that we can talk about that later. Yeah, about the geopolitical situation, very ugly at some point, but like very in between. Like we don't know, like uncertainty. Like that will be the way to say. Like we don't
Yep.
know where things gonna end. Like are we gonna be? Is this war with Ukraine gonna keep going, or is this problem gonna be solved at some point? We know the U.S. Have some disagreements and things like that. So no, I just don't want to get political on it. But, it's like it is
Yeah,
unfortunate.
it's just to give you, it's just, you are correct in everything. I don't think it's the U.S., I think it's its leader that has issues, but yeah, it is, he represents,
Papa,
right?
can I have your phone? I want to
Just-
change the.
Just give us a second. We have a little visitor here. Yeah, so we're back. Sorry about that. As I say, we're gonna be very flexible with the time, with the breaks, and all those things. Like it's March break here in Canada, and I have my daughter, so she's gonna be coming to interrupt us because she needs something or because she wants something. So yeah, it's gonna be like that. So be a little bit flexible, guys, there, and if you can, yeah, that's okay. So yeah, what are you saying? Sorry,
No, I think that
the leaders.
yeah,
were-
it's the leader of the United States that has issues, but it's nice that Europe has come together, the EU, and to support, to bring support to the situation. And I think that's what's representing a little bit here in the market, a little bit of hope that we might not be going to World War III. So yeah, we'll see. We'll
Yeah.
see.
Thank you.
We need to keep open-minded, right? When we're looking, and the way my situation is going to be, or my state of mind is going to be very nimble, and a lot of observation, and try to control my glee and joy of being back,
Yeah.
and not be dancing everywhere and being so happy of being back on this chair and trading with you.
Yeah. Thanks. We appreciate to have you here back. So it's a good thing. So let's go back to our daily routine. Let's say where we really check stock by stock. We analyze SPY. We analyze Nasdaq.
Oh, that's true, eh? Because usually, are we doing the old routine?
Yeah, it's just like
Well, no, because we changed and said we weren't going to go through all. We were going to explain the two stocks that we were going to choose to
yeah,
trade.
that to that one is that I didn't.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, like basically
not
like
going down the list. Okay.
We can go down the list, but at 9:25, I would like to have my
Okay.
time to check
Okay.
what I want to do with the things I have.
Okay.
So, but yeah, we can. It could be more than two, or like whenever we have, whatever time we have. Just like at 9:25,
I like
ideally, like each of us look closer and say, okay, this is what I'm gonna be trading. But
Me
yeah,
gusta.
but the process is the same.
Okay.
Like whatever you remember last time we did. So yeah, so in the list, like we have the same names, and we know like those are the names that are popping up. So we have Nvidia, SMCI, Tesla, PLTR, INTC, Ford, New Holding, BCS, SoFi, Hood. We have SoFi
Mara.
a little bit high too. Mara, yeah,
Marat Neo.
yeah. Cryptocurrency. I guess
The first one is IBIT. Yes, I
Yeah.
was going to point that out. So IBIT is our first in volume this morning.
That's because like now
Insanely
Donald Trump
strong.
include a couple more Solana was included to the cryptocurrency strategy they are doing. So they include a couple more
Okay.
stock cryptocurrency. So yeah, like what is Bitcoin today? Like maybe 97 something. So Bitcoin went down quite a lot.
Yeah. Wow. IBIT is really nice.
Yeah. So the only name I see that is slightly higher than normal today is SoFi. And Amazon was being sell off last week. So Amazon still going down. Yeah, like well, today it's recuperating a bit, but let's see.
INTC
Yeah, INTC. So
and Mara's doing the exact same move than IBIT. Exact.
yeah.
Exact.
So maybe we can take some advantage of that correlation. But remember that Mara was getting separated from that correlation. So if you don't mind, like once you have your list by volume, we can
I
just
do.
start.
Oh yeah, I've got it for a while now.
So okay, so if you're good with that, let's start like basically with SPY, as we always check SPY first. So SPY in a daily, we are like we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive red days, 7 consecutive red days. Then we pump, like we tried to reverse here. That was a big day for Friday, let's say. But today we are opening way higher. So we are opening today basically at around 0.41% up. So we have the EMA on the daily there, so that's relevant. But we like if you see support, resistance, is this gonna be acting as a level of resistance at around 598, something like that? We don't know. So we're gonna keep watching that. But let's go in a lower time frame. Dumbo, stop with that Toyo Dumbo. Dumbo, go away. Go away. Go away. Yeah. So yeah, SPY looking very bullish. So what is your input on SPY?
Well, okay, so the input on SPY, when I'm looking at the pullback that happened this morning, and actually pre-market, when we're looking at a support as a resistance of 595.96, 596, at about like 5-ish this morning, and then it actually turned into support at 8:30. So, and then we've got the top or the max that it at 597.81. So we're looking at about a $2 range for SPY. That's not all that bad, especially looking at the pullback that we've had. If we're looking at the tape, there's not a whole lot on the tape that would signalize anything yet. We still have 13 minutes, but to your point, it does look very bullish. I like that that resistance at 595.96 is actually turned in perfect support, and it's really trading at the moment. I'm looking at the 5 minutes. It's trading above the VWAP and above the 50 EMA. So I like what I'm seeing. Like you say, we don't know if it's going to 598, it's going to be resistance, but still 598, we're looking at a $2 move. So yeah, I like the pull, the pop that SPY has done, and the strengths it's showing this morning.
Yeah, like basically the question there is gonna be able to sustain it, especially being that close to 598 on the daily, which is the level of like it's not a level actually, it's just an EMA, EMA on the 50 EMA for the daily. So yeah, okay. So the next one you have
It's
is
IBIT.
IBIT.
So if we're looking at IBIT, we're right now entering a huge stack. So we've got a significant position at 53, and we've got the stack. Either we've got a huge stack right now into the bid, and we've got a stack at the offer. So right now there's going to be a battle at around that level. So we've got that support that was the resistance this morning that was at 53. That seems to be now acting as support. On the tape, we don't have huge numbers. Oh, bless you.
Sorry.
Oh, just the fact that I'm. Bless you.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
Salute. So 5480. If we're looking at 5480, I'm just going to try to look at 5480 in a larger time frame.
Yeah, like that's something I was looking at, 5480, like not exactly a 5480, but what I'm saying is like we are entering into more heavily traded area here. Like for example, this is 53 here, this yellow line here, like let's say we have a blue line, we're gonna put a blue line there as this.
54.
And then you have support, as you say, support. Yeah, like then 5480 it's like that trading in between here where like there is another 5440 is another level of previous support. So are those two gonna be acting as a resistance, or we're gonna be coming back down, or we're gonna break through and go even higher, which probably with the type of news we have today is gonna be higher, but like let's see. Yeah, so yeah, looking bullish in there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
What I don't like is probably, but then again, we're still early, it would be somewhat of a range. So I like the double shield that it's got at 56.40, 56.45 in the offer for IBIT. So I am going to put that there, which represents a high of last week. So 56.40, 56.45, I'm really close to that, so I'm going to put that there. But it's more, I'm not sure that I'm going to be interested in IBIT this morning, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Very bullish.
yeah, myself is like I probably won't trade IBIT, but yeah. What will be next game?
NVIDIA. So sad.
Sad. What is it? The Nvidia is down that much? At what price did you left it?
146?
Oh, 46. Yeah.
And we were considering 146. Is it going to go to 150? Is it going to go through the top? Oh my God. No. Oh,
Yeah, like
yikes. That hurts right there.
I like to get it, but like at a cheaper price. I think if it goes about 90 something, when like whatever from $100 $1, I think is a good price.
You're talking NVIDIA.
Yeah, like for my long-term account.
Okay, good job.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
going to say go short if you think it's going to go there today.
No. It's no, that's not.
Wow. Okay. Well, you know what? And the tape's not doing much right now. Not
Yeah, like
liking
125 seems to be relevant. Do you see the 125?
NVIDIA. Yeah. So I've got the 125 that's relevant, and the 125 is very close to the, like, what we call what it would be resistance, right? Because this morning the open price, yeah, yesterday's closed
The
and
PCL?
open, yeah, 124.92 right there. So 124.92 is actually quite wow. It seems to be a big resistance there, right? So then you've got 125. What I do like is that at 125, as you said, you pointed out, Davey, then there's 126 at 164, 127, 128, 130. Is it where it's going to be actually popping? I don't see a whole lot big numbers at the bid. So that worries me a little bit.
That last week we saw a lot of that. Last
Really,
week.
eh?
And like most of those days, we were kind of selling off. I wouldn't say that Nvidia isn't gonna necessarily sell off, but if you look at the streaming from last week,
Okay.
I was asking myself, like in the streaming, the same question.
The same now.
Like I say, why I see 20 lot and then 20 lot like in a space of 20 cents, and like that was no good. I mean, so. That was not good for the stock price, but like, and at the same time here, like, Nvidia is looking a little bit weak. So, well, a little bit weak, a lot weak. So, but I don't know, like that push up from Friday was quite decent. So, are we gonna hold this trend up here? Probably. So, I want to be nimble because Friday was not good. Like. Was my only red day Friday,
Okay.
but it wasn't good. It was because I was fixated to the short when, like, hey man, there wasn't any short on. I mean, there was a short, but then I flip. I never flip. So I wanna be nimble with that and exercise that. So we are at 25, but like I have time for one more if you are okay. So
PLTR. So we're gonna skip. So for me, okay, I say that mine is going to be INTC. Probably I'm gonna take a little bite at INTC. So the reason, so I just want to go through INTC very quickly. So there's two levels at INTC that are very, very interesting right now. So there's a stack at 2480, which I really like. So that 2480 is almost the EMA, the 50 EMA. So I am interested in taking it at 2480, and with the stop loss of not much actually, because I'm going to put my stop loss below the next stack, which is 2450. So this is about what I would like to be. I see it as quite bullish. I do believe it's going to pull back to there. So I'm looking long on INTC. I would like to take a little bite. And the next one that I would like to look at would be PLTR.
Yeah, just a call out on INTC. I think you're totally right there, but like it probably won't go to 2480. I don't know. It's just it looks like a bull flag,
Okay.
and it looks very bullish. So yeah,
I
so
agree.
PLTR. Yeah, I haven't erased my lines. Yeah, okay, there we go. PLTR. Okay, what do you see in PLTR?
So PLTR for me at the moment looks insanely bullish. So that doesn't mean it's not going to pull back. But when we're looking at the offers and when we're looking at the tape, we've got 88 that's significant, and then we've got 87. Very close to what it is there. So 88, it actually, that was a resistance this morning. So we've got 88 that, my goodness, why am I not able? I want to put a line right there. You know, the lack of practice. I miss my charts. I miss my charts. So we've got 88. I'm going to put 88 there, and we've got 87. As far as the rest of the tape, we do look that it could go to 90. So it's quite small for PLTR as a move, but we know with PLTR, it doesn't take long that it can gain momentum. So I'm gonna put that there so for me, it would be probably PLTR, INTC, and maybe, SMCI looks a little bit crazy. I'll have to go more in
Yeah,
depth.
SMCI.
What about you?
No, it's okay. I just gonna PLTR and Nvidia. INTC I'm gonna take a look too. But yeah, the markets SMCI they met the deal. Like they supposed to report. They did report on time.
Oh, nice.
But I don't know why it's not looking that good. Like if you see, we are trading is still inside Friday. So like Friday, I was doing some explanation here in SMCI, and I put those square here, so it's still trading inside that. Like if you see, if I zoom out, look at this clean trend toward the downside. So and yes, the trend step up once they report, but like it's still going down. So yeah, SMCI, I don't know. Maybe we're gonna need to let it do something. Right now, it's looking. It's not looking like a short, but it is at the point where I will be looking short.
Okay.
So with a big grain of salt there. Like I mean, just.
Oh.
Yeah, like this name. It was trading at $60 just a couple days ago. 66, 67. So now it's trading at 42. So volatility there is super high. So just be aware of that.
I like that.
So, but
Thank
yeah,
you.
I like it. I like price action there for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on NVDA and PLTR at the open, just because those two, like PLTR, I sense is a little bit weaker, but the volume is saying something else. So I'm gonna wait maybe for both of them. Look, Nvidia is already breaking down. I would expect Nvidia to really snap those 24.40 or 24 or 25 before going down, but it's going ahead.
Okay.
And that's something that happened last week a lot. So like the first time it happened, I got the smoke in that, but like I was able to recuperate. But but then it happened 2 more times, and it's that the market starts selling at way before the open. So like when it was selling, but yeah, let's look at SPY. So good luck. We
Thank you,
have
you too.
3 seconds. SPY is already flushing, so.
So I took a little bit of a position there at 24.80. I got it.
Yeah.
My goodness gracious.
Oh,
It's
good.
like oh yeah, it's like I'm a new kid trading here. I got trouble with my duels.
I have another to go short on PLTR.
So I got the 2480 on SMCI. I'm looking at the tape. It's just super populated right now. It's a little hard to read the tape. I'm afraid that my stop loss is a little too tight to let it breathe a little bit. I'm just going to pull it back a few cents. I don't want to take a big loss on it.
I have 2 orders. A short PLTR, short Nvidia. PLTR, we're gonna get it now. Let's see. Okay, we got PLTR.
I like it.
I don't know if I have the right stop loss because I cannot see higher there. So yeah, I do have the right stop loss. So yeah, that should be okay. So Nvidia going without me.
So the market's doing well. It's actually
So what I'm gonna do, I'm
popping.
gonna play Nvidia a little bit different. So let's see. So oh no, Nvidia's coming to me too. Oh, PLTR is going higher. Good for PLTR. Good for you, my guy. I'm gonna let you play your game. So I took a little bit of NVIDIA. As I say, I just play it different. Let's see. I know it's very low already, but I wanted to get the view up.
Okay. So we've got SPY that's really taking off.
I see.
So NVIDIA is not taking any love at the moment from there, but it might just right close to there.
Hey,
That's the level I was interested in NVIDIA, 123.50. What is it going to do
I add,
there?
but I'm gonna be. I move my stop loss way closer.
Mhm.
So to NVDA. Yeah, I find my charts a little bit too crowded. PLTR, I'm gonna be patient with PLTR, but I still think it's a short. As I say, we have to be patient with that one, but Vida didn't even try. So we're gonna exercise the good habits, so which is take partial and ring the bell.
Here we go. Good job.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
And leave the rest for a bigger move, maybe. I think that's doable. So PLTR, I'm gonna wait for some probably some congestion before. Like, but PLTR, as I say, like I at the open, I say PLTR looks long to me. So I don't necessarily believe in the shorts on PLTR.
I'm long on PLTR. I'm still initially in my initial trade with INTC. Right now, PLTR, what are you looking like? Reading the tape a little bit there on PLTR. Seems to be doing well.
Yeah.
Definitely a little bit of resistance there at 90.
Nvidia flushing.
Market's pulling back.
Heavy.
Oh, we didn't check the news, eh?
I did check them. There
Yes?
was no anything. Like we had
Nothing,
PC last week.
Nothing significant.
Yeah, nothing I will be concerned about.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I can double check if you.
No, if you're sure, it's good. The market's almost moving like there was news.
But like we are in a downtrend, so it gets back at PLTR one more time. And that crazy guy doesn't want to really do much. So PLTR, 5 minutes. Where are you, my guy? Where are you? Okay, I have to let it breathe a little bit deeper, but yeah, that's okay. Get me there, and I'm gonna be okay being out. But I'm gonna keep trimming that NVDA. And yeah, oh, PLTR.
I like the way that, look at the wick on the SPY at the moment.
IB there, just give me 1 second. So NVDA, as I say, we trim another little there. It's just a matter of discipline. So
Here comes the money.
I like that.
spicy. Okay, so. Hey, come on, PLTR. You re-enter those 90s, my guy, and I'm gonna short you a little bit heavier. PLTR. Let's see. What are you? What are you? You are at okay, yeah, 90, 90, 90, 90, 16, 90, 15. I have an order to add more to PLTR. Yes, I did read the tape before I say that, but it's already moving. So let's see if it ever offer me that little batch. Yeah, let's see. So I think we have enough time for us to really be looking at the
INTC got me out. Darn.
INTC. What did it do? INTC. Oh yeah, that's oof. It broke down instead of broke up.
Absolutely.
I like what I see. I like what I see. And today we're gonna have some continuation of what we were expecting this market to do. Oh, it looks
So
like I
sad.
don't know. There's no
So
sad. It's just a
sad.
market do market, you know. We have no control over that thing. So he helped to rebalance everything.
Well said. Okay, so I like the volume.
PLTR is very close, but it didn't offer me that. So I think, yeah. Okay, let's go to NVDA. Nvidia didn't even try to do that move. So, okay, I'm gonna leave Nvidia more quiet because it will take more time. I have to manage PLTR a little bit better because PLTR did offer me that entry. And now I tied it a bit more, the stop loss, but I don't want to see it making a higher high. So, come on, PLTR, do that. I got the good price. I say I look at the tape. I don't have the best price, but I have a decent price.
Did SPY find some support there? I believe it did. Oh, I'm gonna put that line there, right there.
Okay, NBDA, come on, my guy. NBDA, give me those partial. Give me those partial NBDA. There we go, and we ring the bell one more time.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Something very nice that I am happy with myself today is that from long ago, I am looking to flip. Like I don't have clear signal to flip right now, but that was what I was not willing to do last week, and today I am really being careful with that. So PLTR, I have a full size on PLTR, so I'm gonna be taking some PLTR very soon. Yeah, my battery. We have news that we have ESM manufacturer PMI at 10. That's
The market is reacting like there's pending news. I agree. So that's
but
good.
like because the last couple of days the market have been aggressive. So like the move we have been getting have been big move. So
Oh, I like that. I like that.
so that PLTR, I'm debating if I want to be out
I like what the volume of the buyers when they do come in. They come in strong. I'm still long. And that position at 90.25 for PLTR is still there. So,
Yeah, but that's the guy that I add with.
okay. And you've got a lot more experience trading PLTR.
Well, that really doesn't matter because like
Yeah, the
First-
market is so crazy, right?
no, like I mean like because sometimes like, and I don't know like up to which extent this is like that, but like you have a tendency to look at the INTC tape and say, oh, this is a long or this is a short, and I look at it and I say, well, I kind of don't see it there, but you normally get to be right. So, like, what I mean by that is like, maybe some days I will be reading the tape better on PLTR, depending on what type of maneuver it's doing, and like. I have memory because like right now I have that couple notes from last week. I'm sorry, I have to take some partial from PLTR. So PLTR, let's see. Yeah, take. I'm gonna be taking just 25% instead of 50
Here we go.
because I think these have more.
Here comes the money.
So yeah. Some of the couple notes I have from last week is what is it? Yeah, like observe and test identify a tape setup that you really know. So what I mean is like if the tape is moving too fast, sometimes we cannot follow up with it.
Exactly.
But if you look, let's say something like, oh, there is a stacking, and what that stacking has as an effect. Like, for example, there was a stacking, and that happened on NVDA. There was a bunch of stacking at 122. When you find the stacking, it went through like butter. So then I say, okay, now I know that this is really not holding at all. So I just wait for it to go close to 22 and whack it down. So I'm like, but like, it's not that I am fully reading the tape. I enjoy just identifying at that moment what was happening that I can really profit from. So
I like that.
so that PLTR, I'm gonna trim a little bit more, and we are really doing good. So PLTR, maybe in another. Can we do another push down? Probably. Yeah, we don't have to stress out. That was not a selling climax. We're gonna be having some terminology that I'm gonna explain later. Okay, that candle is really looking good. I probably gonna be out of the trade. Okay, let's see. Do I want to be out of the trade? I reloaded, and yeah, reloaded at a better price, and keep my original stop loss. These things seem to be going high. That might be a mistake for me. Let's see. I'm watching for the volume that is coming in, and that shouldn't hold too long. but it is holding. So let's see this candle. It has 40-second. Yeah, don't really want to play the game.
Spy's doing well.
Yeah, Spice at the bottom. This trade should work yet. Ten seconds. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna reduce my risk a little bit on this trade. I have to wait actually 1 minute and 30 seconds for it. And it's doing that megaphone in the 5 minutes of talking about PLTR.
So you see a megaphone in 5?
Yeah, in the 5 minutes there is a little megaphone on the PLTR for the last 10 minutes. Yeah, and I don't feel I am correct on that trade.
But you really cashed in on the short, right?
Yeah, like well, it's like
You took some.
yeah, like I will still be taking like 75% of the risk of it, of the original risk.
It could still be in play though, because when we're looking at SPY, it's really struggling. Though it has, like, it's got a huge wick that it's trying to fill right now. So we still have 45 seconds for the candle to die. If it's filling that wick, well then,
You know, I'm gonna be chicken. So I reduce my risk a lot in the trade.
that's a good.
So this, to me, this counts like a lower high. If you make a higher high, I'm out. So that's okay. Stop loss right at 90.27, and then we are printing lower and lower, and that's what we want to see. And that's what we want to see it doing. So that volume is quite dropping there. I'm concerned about the guy that is at 90.25, 90.20, something like that.
Still there, right?
Yeah. So.
Holding strong there.
Yeah, exactly. So I have to be nimble, and that's why I'm okay now because I reduced the risk quite a lot. So and there we go. We are go lower, my guy. Go lower. Go lower. 89 is holding so good. That 89 is very nice holding. But the way we are crossed to those 89, I don't know. Like let's just cash out some right there, and we ring the bell. And now we play not with money house, but with the same parameter of stop loss, which is right here. So stop loss 90.27, 90.26. So if we go 90.26, I wanna be happy to be out. Yeah, I thought we were gonna get sacked today, but like, let me see if we have text or anything. No, all good. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna be all out of that NVDA. I think you're right by doing that. So, NVDA, all out, and we ring the bell. And this is how we play this game.
I like.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
And then PLTR. I have to take another 25% on PLTR.
You called him.
We are low. Ça va?
Bien, toi?
Très bien, très bien.
Bonjour, Zach.
I was on the stream and I didn't know if you wanted me to come.
Of course, we always wanted you to come. Okay.
Yeah. He called
Alright.
you.
I'm in the trade on PLTR with you, almost the same price since the
Papa, I
beginning.
want to tell you a secret.
Okay. Let me mute the stream. I'll be back, guys, in 1 minute.
Fait que Marie, t'étais malade? Oui. Ouais, dans le stream. Ouf. Ouais. Ouais, ben, pendant mes examens, là, on était malades, moi et ma blonde. Ouais, c'était pas mal tough, là. Ben, il y a un examen vraiment que j'ai pas pu étudier. J'ai pas eu une si mauvaise note. Puis après ça, ben, je filais pas super bien, mais j'ai pu étudier. Ah ouais, mais pas comme je voulais, là. Ah ouais. Fait que là, ça va mieux? Ouais. Ah, c'est bon.
Yeah, that's a beautiful tray, Davey,
Okay.
for PLTR.
And like it's a holding tray, but
I'm in there since at line 34. My entry is 89,
That's good with a high.
97.
nice, very nice.
I made
So
a
beautiful.
So almost the same.
So that's a climax selling whether we wanna be partially.
The seat, the
2 years because I have a bucket in my house with 2 years.
There we go. We
You're
ring the bell
such
one
a
more
big
time.
girl.
Here comes the money.
No, honey, not that.
Okay.
Yeah. If you make noise, no.
Okay.
You're gonna paint. Okay.
So I had a question, Davey, about your like where's your stop loss on that PLTR trade?
Right now in PLTR, I'm breaking even at 89.92.
Did
But
you know from the beginning?
at the beginning, it was at 90.60,
Aha, the same as me. Then.
and then I moved it to 90.27.
But
Yeah.
how? Why
Where's
does
the
your
white
wrist?
thing to put the paint?
What was that?
Where's the white thing to put the paint?
It's in the where we
Bathroom.
wash our hands. But yeah, why is sorry, Zach?
Why do you have like 7 hours return?
Right now,
Yeah.
because I have taken a lot of hours. Like I took you're looking at the streaming now. Like for example, this was a lost. So in here, I only had 50% of the position with the original stop loss at 90.60.
Okay.
Then I add here.
Now my house will have
When I add here, in here I remove 25%. In here, I add double of whatever I had, so it was a little bit bigger than here. Then I remove here 50% and remove 50% here.
Okay.
And what is left is 7R. So I have 7R in hanging in there.
Because we have the same entry price and the same stop loss.
Yeah, and you have how many R's?
Or
But did you add to the trade?
no, just one entry, and I took partial,
Mm-hmm.
but it would be equivalent to 4 hours.
You know, Zach, it's like,
Papa,
yeah, honey?
I want the light because now I cannot see.
Yeah, but we cannot turn off the light while Papa and Marie is working.
Why?
Because we need that to be dark there. There's a camera and they can see us, you see? So we need to keep it like that. For now, when we finish, you can turn it back. Yeah, Zach, what I was saying here, so thank you, honey. When I add here, like the second time my risk was way higher. It was not just 1 hour. That's what the answer to your question.
Okay.
Even when I add here, if I keep the original stop loss in here, I will be risking at least like 4 hours.
But your R's are way less than what you were. Like, you dropped the number of.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. Yeah.
I remember you talking about that. Wanted to drop, but put more R's.
Yeah, exactly, because it's like I have to make them indispensable, like that is something that you kind of don't care much. So, but yeah, as long as you keep, but like Maria and I were doing, at some point I can show you, it's a data that I collect, and like we did an analysis of like why partialing is the best to do, and we have a chart with a guy that only will take profit at 10R, and will take like the 10 Rs, and the other that will be taking like every 4R will take 2. And it's insane. Like in the long term, like at the beginning, the guy that is taking 10 Rs is going way above the other. But over time, the one that is keeping,
Papa,
yeah. Oh, don't leave it downstairs, you know. Yeah, so in the long term, the taking partial is way more profitable. Especially because when you, like something that we do not assume is that because you take
I
partial,
love it because it's
even
so
if you get
soft.
to your original stop loss, your risk is less because you have less shares.
Yep.
So, but yeah, it's,
So that was the guy that take 2 R's.
yeah, the guy that take 2R every
Me
4R make more money than the guy that take 10R when he get to 10R. Mi bella, solo recuerda no hacer ruido.
What's that thing?
She brought her little light. Muy inteligente. See? See, you are. Muy inteligente, tu niña. Niñas.
Guys, the spice is flush, just flush.
Going through the floor. So much for, hey, I like the fact that Spy is a little strong today. So people are really getting out of the US market. Eh? When you're looking at what PLTR and Nvidia is doing, so sad.
Papa, can you open the black for me, please?
Yeah. There we go, Marie.
I eventually changed my mind so that the plantain wasn't gonna stay there. I was so happy. I was so happy. Hey, look at the market. Ugh.
Yeah, it's as we say when we start the streaming, it's very important what is going on. You're politically
Papa,
talking.
where's
Yeah.
the dirty Costa Blanca? There was 2 out there.
Right now we only have one downstairs, so use that one. You don't need the other for now.
I want to see if it's upstairs. Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Good luck searching, Dora.
So like PLTR, don't get foggy. To me, that's a trade to hold. I'm gonna be taking 4R whenever it hit 8Rs again, but that like Nvidia, don't even think about it. Nvidia, I think he's gonna end the day at the worst price of the day because Nvidia didn't even try it. Like,
So-
yeah,
It's just, look at how in the 5-minute PLTR is reacting to the 200 EMA.
PLTR, yeah, PLTR is stronger than Nvidia. I know, but like, and I actually don't have Nvidia. Why I don't have Nvidia? Yeah, it's puke. Right now, this is puke. Yeah, and like after 10, there is an observation I'm doing. It's freaking crazy how it plays. But like I'm gonna have a little bit more information at around 10:15, and yeah, this PLTR. Why would I be like freaking out about it here? And this was stronger. If I got NVIDIA, I would be even more quiet.
The manufacturing PMI just came out. At 10.
Okay, and
It's lower than expected. So
That's
that
good.
explains the flush from 5.
No, but the PMI is good when it's lower because it's cheaper to produce.
Okay.
No, like I mean, I'm asking you, like I'm not saying that you're wrong.
I have to read more about it.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, the PMI. Oh no, my bad. Yeah. No,
Right.
yeah, you're right. You're totally right, my guy. It's me who is wrong. It's the PPI, which is the one that is lower better. So
Yeah, it's a price manufacturer index.
okay, no, if it's so that one lower is better.
Daddy, look what I found.
okay. You're so pretty in pink.
Papa,
Beige.
Yeah, honey?
You're beautiful.
Oy, oy, oy.
You're beautiful.
Yeah.
I found some glitter.
Did you tell Tia Marie that we painted our hair last weekend?
Wow.
Before last weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah. You did
And
tell
what
her.
color?
There was purple, pink, blue, and green.
Did Papa paint his hair too?
No.
Oh.
Come on,
Only
baby.
Nyla.
Come on. Yeah, I agree. Come on, Papa.
Pink hair Davy, come on.
Yeah, I should
wanna
do
see
that. It should be funny.
Yeah, come on. We want to see that.
So I guess SMCI is flushing, right? No? No, it's not.
Well, it was.
INTC.
Right now, it's interacting with the VWAP. Doesn't mean like we've got a double shield at 40. So
I like things looks like if they want to reverse.
yeah.
But that's the observation, like especially today because we had news at 10. It's gonna be even more relevant what happened between 10 and 10:15.
So I have the answer. Higher PMI is not considered better because, like, if it's above 50, it indicates the sector are expanding.
Okay.
If it's lower than 50, which is not, but is getting closer,
Mm-hmm.
it signifies contraction
Okay.
in the manufacturing activity.
Aye. So another flushy day.
And it's 50.3, and it was supposed to be 50.5.
Sabroso.
Sabrosongo.
Yeah, like last week, I had a good week last week, but like there were 2 days. That was Thursday. Like, and like why I'm mentioning that is because it's related to what is going on right now. Like let's say we put it in context, and let's say we check a SPY, like, and we go in the daily, and then when we go in the daily, we see we have seven days going down, like really going down, and then we have this big push here. That green candle here, I like it a lot. It really means like we could reverse it. Like to me, it looks like that, but it will need to clear the EMA there at like 598 around there. But what I'm saying here is like, did you see the sizes of those candles like per day? Look, that's like.
What a range.
So, well, like the range is a big flush. Like we are talking that just was one day that SPY sell off like almost $11, and then next day. So when you catch a move, if you have a good price, you really can hold for longer. So like for me, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday were perfect. But then Thursday, I came in and I was pressuring too much.
Okay.
And like, but I was lucky because the last tray I took, I leave it open for the rest of the day. And he paid for everything, all the mistake I did, plus some profit. But then I did the same Friday. Like Friday I was like, I don't know if I was sleeping or what was it. But Friday I couldn't recuperate. And I did the same, I left the tray open and that one didn't work.
Why you have a small like that, Mommy?
Because Papa has a bigger one than me.
Oh,
What was that?
Why is mine small like that?
Ah,
You know, your kid notices everything, you know that? Everything.
yeah.
Just like Papa and Mama does.
okay, I know some things, but not a lot.
Okay, Ella.
I love that. You notice things, but you don't think you notice things a lot? I think you do, actually. I believe you notice things a lot.
So guys, like, it's not 9:50, it's not 10:15 yet, but we're gonna have more continuation towards the downside. That's my expectation. Things are gonna keep flushing. That's not the low of the day.
I need 2 pieces.
Oh man, that Nvidia was beautiful. It's just I sold too early, but I covered too early, but that's okay. I didn't partial on PLTR, and I want to partial just to leave the rest for whatever it wants to do. And I should be jumping in another trade, but I want to see what is still high. What is the SPY doing?
It's still flushing.
SPY is looking a little bit better, like, but let's see. Okay.
You're still in PLDR?
Yeah, and you flip.
I flipped.
Yeah.
What a
Be aware of
regret.
that. Be aware of that.
Yeah, absolutely. And really, when I'm looking at the lines that I drove on the market, we're looking at a reverse at 588, not before that. And look at me reversing there.
Zach, what do you have? Still PLTR?
No, I got out,
Mm-hmm.
but I wanted to stay in. It's just that I didn't see my take profit order.
Okay.
And I tried to go back in at 88.
Uh-huh.
It didn't touch by the penny.
Okay.
I still have my order to go short at 88.
Yeah, you may go there, but
And stop loss above VWAP. From that order.
nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day.
Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice.
I'm on the simulator though.
Okay.
Starting things.
Yeah, starting out again until you get used to. Nice. Well, I love trading, guys, you know, but I have to say, trading alone is not the same, you know.
Oh,
And you're like, oof.
sí, te extraño mucho también.
Now I know why people create communities, hey, buddies, hey, let's trade together and things like that. Oh, Zach, right there.
Yeah, okay.
I had to, and now I will be breaking even.
Yeah, sometimes I was coming in the stream and you were alone. I was like, ah.
Yeah, it's like I don't want to say the word bore, but like we're boring, but it's like
Yeah,
It's
you don't
less
have any.
interaction,
yeah, it's
right?
like
It's less
I don't-
interacting.
At one point, you don't have anything to say. Like,
yeah, it's like the trade is working or not working, or and you like you just have to wait.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the market as well as PLTR is at a critical point right here. I reversed my position. I'm watching very closely because right there is at a critical point. Same with SPY. So this could be a reversal to the VWAP for either SPY or PLTR. I'm not sure right now. I feel very uncomfortable my first day back, to tell you the truth.
The problem is that the volume is not there, Marie. Like, I mean, I see somebody offering 90 on PLTR, and I am looking at the volume and I say, like, well, that volume, like right now we dropped to average volume, and where did we drop to average volume? At 88. So like it will consolidate there for a little bit, and like unless something is stepping with higher volume, like I don't see it getting to 90. So, but
Do you have something on the tape at 88? Because it doesn't want to go through.
yeah,
88 there is. Yeah,
23
there's on
and
both. There's a position at 88.
yeah, in total 101 lot.
Like, look at the 3 last candles. It touched 88,
Yeah,
didn't go through.
but those are candles that doesn't look good for it.
For this
Agreed.
one.
Yeah, for the long doesn't look good. Like if you have another doji like that, it's like oof, walk away. If you are looking long. But let's see if we manage to clear that
Mommy,
88.
look at me.
I wish I was that nimble. But that's okay. I'm working on that, Ella. I'll compete with you. I'll be the best jumper.
And now it's me.
No. Right now it's you, I agree.
Look at me, Mommy.
Oh, what's happening now? You have way too much energy.
Yeah.
Can you give me some?
No.
But I want some.
No.
Oh.
I'm taking the thing.
Upstairs?
No.
Hmm.
Papa, can you open it for me, please?
Can you be any more polite? I love it.
Thank you.
You're very
You're welcome, honey. So I know this is gonna be. I'm just playing the game the right way. So, or what I consider the right way. So
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
now I'm gonna be still breaking even and leaving it for whatever it wants to do. It's a beautiful day
in the
here in
neighborhood.
Dominican Republic. Yeah, no, we are not there yet. Yeah, we are not there yet.
Oh, I wish. En la playa. Ay.
Si piñas colada.
See.
Oof. But be careful, don't put that on the floor, you know? You got me?
Wow, look at the vibe.
Yeah, I know.
My guy, I'm so white right now, I would go in your country any second.
You're whiter than white?
Oh yeah, whiter than snow.
That's me.
It's camouflage.
That's, yeah, it could be, a winter camouflage.
So, you want to do an exercise together with me and what you're doing there?
Mm-hmm.
So, go in the 1 minute. 1 minute chart.
Okay, I just need
Like,
to.
as long as you have, like, don't, I don't want to distract you from your trade, but I want you to look at something that is the reason why I had where you went long.
There we go.
Okay,
Now.
I got my stop loss. Okay, so you say go to the 1 minute.
Yeah, and look at the volume after thing. Like, how much does that volume convince you that we're gonna go higher? What is happening? Like, if you read out loud for you, or you can, if you are comfortable saying it in the streaming, you can say it. But what does that volume looks like?
Papa, look. I put a paper here so
It looks long.
Okay.
Yeah.
For me, it looks
yeah, but like-
long.
yeah,
It
but-
looks like the buyers are losing strength right there.
But like,
And that the sellers, the sellers are losing strength, and that the buyer want to take. That's what I
Like,
see. But
you see
yeah,
before thing, what you have here? Let's say we consider this high and this super high. So when we say this is high, will be this average and will be this low,
correct.
and this is also low. Average. At what price? At 88. So what you are seeing here is that the buyers that you want to step in, they are not stepping in with anything that bring momentum to the table. And where they are stepping in here, the only reason why it's higher is because it's paired with the sellers. Of course, they are buyers because see the candle and green, but like they are not interested in to push higher. But if you see them with this height here and keep going higher at around 88, then I will be looking for the breakthrough 88.
Okay,
Marie,
So
I know what you mean.
Marie, ayer Dumbo vomito.
yeah,
No.
yeah, Dumbo was sick.
Dumbo was sick.
What? He was sick. Did he catch what you got?
No.
So and look what, keep looking at it and look what is happening
Yeah.
right here. Like that's not good for my short neither.
I was going to say, aren't
Yeah.
the sellers losing momentum?
Yeah, they are not losing momentum. They are just lowballing the thing. So like there's no, this can reverse like crazy.
Yeah, right.
But you have this here, this monster here, and more than this monster here, you are waiting. Like in here, I am just an spectator looking for when something super high or high come in, what does it bring to the table? So what is it? So like right now, this
There's
is
no
just
high,
saying
there's no low, there's no
we are
low.
going down and it's very weak on the way that it's going down. But we have to memorize that in the consolidation on top, we were
I
as
wanna go
weak.
back.
And then you can keep zooming out and doing the same analysis, and you're gonna see that most of the time frame is gonna be aligned to something. Yeah, for example, look at what happened with that candle. Bigger spread, look at the volume. So
So you still see it as low, as a short.
we have to wait for this candle to die because this one is the one that is pushing, you see? So we wanna see the volume of that candle when it dies.
Yep.
Marie,
Okay,
can you
Benja.
open the white, please?
Absolutely.
We have 10 seconds.
You're
with that
very
candle.
welcome.
Yeah, what happened right there? Let's see. The volume is just not there. That is a very low candle. And you have a big candle in a very low candle. That's a test. Like, that's a test for what, like now you're gonna have maybe a bigger candle in price with a lower candle in volume. Check it out. Bigger candle in price with a lower volume candle. And that will just say, you know what? Sellers are under control yet. And the only value this have is like, for me that I am short, and I am breaking even, I am trying to decide, do I want to hold for longer? Or do I want to be out?
Marie, I know how
And
to
look.
make pink. It's white.
Bigger
and
candle.
red. Yes.
Let's see. Now it's going to face the 88 one more time.
Marie, you want?
That's for my nose. In case I was going to sneeze, because I've been sneezing a lot, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. So when I'm sneezing, what I'm trying to do is catch it before, and I use this. This is soft, right?
It is classified that.
I know, but that's okay,
Yeah.
right? Because it's still soft.
We don't have more tissues, so we blow our nose with it.
Like me. Yeah, I love it. We need to be innovative, right? So now with that volume candle being bigger, RSI is really, really climbing up.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
this here would be
It's looking in your favor right now.
okay. Me gusta.
I'm trying
But-
to make
I like that.
But like you have the VWAP pending it, so now it's gonna go to the VWAP. If ever, it might not go to the VWAP. I will be normally shorting the VWAP in there.
That makes sense too.
Look.
Ooh, it's almost like a coral actually.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
And for your loan, you have more confirmations. Like I know we are at the VWAP now.
Yeah, the offer's being
But-
pulled.
No, like for example, and what did we say when we were reading? It was going down
look-
in super low volume. So this is a confirmation that this what you saw before was correct. So now you are just profiting from it.
Marie, look what it looks like.
Oh, I like it. It's almost the color of your dress, actually.
But look at that VWAP.
Yeah,
Very interesting there.
I love it.
Me too.
I am very tempted to add. I'm gonna add actually.
So Spy now is interacting as well with the VWAPs. I like the RSI on Spy at this moment. I like the RSI on PLTR. So now, like you said, Davey, the 8850, that critical, what a wick, what a wick.
I took a little bite at VWAP.
Short.
Short again.
Yeah, I have an order there to add, but I didn't add. It didn't get me.
Like from the short before when it was going up, I got out with a bit of profit.
Mhm.
And now I'm going half a hour at VWAP.
But it is looking long, so it's looking in Marie's favor right now.
Yeah, it's just I put the stop loss really tight. So I
Okay.
have a
So Spy is above the, is interacting right now with the 200 EMA and seems to want to cross it. So
Marie,
let's see vision.
how did we make the color green foncé?
Green foncé, you know? So
Oh, boy.
green foncé is just some blue with just a little, about
Got your chart,
25%. So
Yeah,
It would be-
I did it manually.
this much blue with what? If you look at green, what's the two colors you
But-
need for green?
That volume will need to ramp up,
See.
And how
For us to be
did we
correct.
make green pal?
and it is
So-
ramping up a little bit the volume there.
So green power.
my stop loss is so tight that as soon as you move a bit, I'm making
Nice.
killing.
So green, if you'd like to green power, it's what you do is blue again with yellow, but you add more yellow. So the more you add yellow, or once you've got green, you can add white, and
You see
that'll
that
make
volume
it
increasing
very
there a little bit?
light.
Oh,
On the 1
Did you
minute,
want
that's
to
significant.
try?
yeah.
Sure.
I'll go look another place because I don't have more.
Okay. I like that.
So I'm breaking even. I just don't want to mess it up. So I'm breaking even anyways, though I add 88.48 my stop loss. If it's gonna go it's gonna go before, but it's looking long.
I like what Spy's its interaction with the 200 EMA for Spy. Oh no 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 no! Move that! Shoo! That was close. So I'm pretty much trading my P&L
Oh yeah.
now. Oy, oy, oy. Not a clear day back. Like I said, very uncomfortable with what was happening right now. But yeah. Tomorrow's another day. But, oh, yeah, glad of that.
Hey, I got out of PLTR. What I'm gonna do? I have a short for NVDA. So why? Because NVIDIA was
I got the blue one.
nice. Yeah, NVDA was weaker, so if I still believe in the short, which I do, like I mean that PLTR is just a matter of time, I think.
Matter of time for what, baby?
For it to go down.
Okay.
Like it is looking long right now. It's for sure. It's looking long. But sustainability there is not that big. It's not that big of a deal.
So right now we've got Spy that's interacting very closely to the VWAPs.
And I have ignored SPY a little bit too much.
Mm-hmm.
Blue pile. I got blue pile
Bleu pâle, j'aime beaucoup.
and yellow.
SMCI, SMCI.
Let's make it.
Yeah,
What's that, blue
INTC.
pile or yellow?
Blue Pie.
Bleu pâle,
A little bit or a lot?
A little bit.
Okay.
You are getting me fat.
Wait. Now yellow. Yeah.
So something I was trying to work more and more is to trade to look for the setup instead of to. The INTC is going fast and furious toward the hop side.
mm-hmm.
Was there any number release right now or something like that? I see some acceleration everywhere. NVIDIA is gonna get me out.
Wow. Look how it looks like.
Yeah, NVIDIA got me out.
Okay.
I don't see any.
No news? So PLTR is just flying right now.
Hola, mi amor.
90.
Look how it looks like.
Oh, me gusta mucho. So now, if you want it lighter, what you do is you add white.
But I wanted it foncé.
You want it foncé? Then what do you add, do you think?
My blue.
Muy interesante. Ay, ay, ay. Me gusta mucho.
Clean my wash.
That's always a good thing to do. Okay, so Spy now is interacting. It's a big candle. What you gonna do there, Spy? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do when I come for you?
Bad boy, bad boy.
I have an order to get short on PLTR, but I want the good price or I don't want it. So
I like that
Mommy,
discipline of
look.
yours. Oh,
What's a
this
good price
is
for you?
No, it's
90?
it's going,
89.50.
It's going blue, so
but I am from running it by 2 cents, so I got 89.48.
more.
Okay. So at 90, I'm gonna take my partial. on PLTR, but I'm feeling that I want to take it before, but
Yeah, it's slowing down already.
yeah, it is already. So, you
So,
know what? I'm gonna
Yeah,
take
you
it
see,
then.
I didn't even get my order.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
I'm gonna hold on. I am not taking it. Like now, I know if he goes there, I have more cards in my favor. But it will really need to go there.
I put more yellow because this was a little bit blue.
89
agree.
sack in case. 89 is the second good price.
Yeah, for me, I have a range at 90, so I would wait for 90
It's
or
still green pie.
I don't go.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll get there.
Add some blue foncé.
But we don't have some, I think.
Do you have black?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
right
that's
now
a good one.
free falling right now. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the second price, which you say 89.
Yeah. Why you hiding? When I put you in the little board, you were there.
Yeah, sellers are really whacking it
Maybe
now.
the black is playing hide and seek.
You funny, huh?
I love it. Oh my God. Extraordinary. Jeez. Incredible kids. Eh?
Oh, here we are.
Thank you.
I didn't saw the black, and it was there.
Oh, you think it's because of you?
No.
You know I'm kidding. Of course it's the
They-
parents,
they
you crazy person.
They don't say thank you, so I say thank you for them. It's a good compliment. So.
It is. It's a beautiful compliment. And yes, it is the parents. Beautiful parents.
I put some black
Yeah?
there.
So you see, we miss a trade there for being picky,
Does
but
it help? Yeah, it does. Continue. Mix it very well.
But it's made in purple. Oh no, it's doing green.
I told you. You gotta mix. Right? You gotta be patient. Not a virtue today of anyone. Not for me, for sure.
like 88.80 is heavy. 88.80, 88.80 is a stepping down, so the short should be in
Maybe
place.
it's more yellow or more blue. I'll try with yellow.
You think?
No, blue.
Yeah.
Blue. Maybe there's not enough blue. Yeah. Que blue.
Hijo de tu mamá.
Daddy,
Yes, honey.
the painting and over here is so cool.
Thank you.
Love it. How did you make it, Daddy?
I haven't finished it yet. It's a work in progress, honey.
Oh,
Oh,
it's a long time.
yes, it is.
Papa's got good imagination, eh?
Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix.
So I'm gonna get some shares there. It's a little amount of
What are
shares.
we
So
making?
if it goes up, I'm gonna
The
add.
group. Hey, we did it.
I don't think it's
I
gonna go
love
up.
that,
But
right?
if it goes up, I'm gonna add. It's just I don't have another way to manage that train because it's already moving.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they left it alone. They literally left it alone. It's like, yeah, good for you, my guy.
It's really good. It's not, oh, I got some.
So Spy right now, I like the fact that it's holding there, but I think I'm just sitting here with lentes rosas.
Hey,
Muffy, can you open? I want to put a little bit more.
don't go away with that thing.
Yellow, eh? You think that a little bit more of yellow is gonna help? Oh,
Mm.
how come I'm full of paint and I did not paint once? Look. I got blue and I got yellow. What happened here? What happened here?
There you go, right? So, Zach, did you get the PLTR shirt?
No.
Okay. I know, Marie, I know.
My God, hermosa. Eso es incredible. I just love it. What a rejection of the VWAP for
I
Spy.
need some more.
Sure. That's important.
Yeah, Spy rejected the VWAP.
Mhm,
But like,
mhm.
it's not in everything. But if you look at PLTR, for example, it's just because I know I have been watching PLTR.
Of course.
Like the reason why that happened is because of that previous.
I'm not on now.
So, like, if you see how like when this was happening,
Mm-hmm.
if you keep it very very simple, what you see is like it's 10. It's like we know the opening is the highest volume ever, but before 10, when we were setting off, this is what you get, and when we try to go the other direction, this is what you get.
Aw.
So I'm gonna show you a couple things like this, because like what it helped with is to hold for longer.
Okay.
So
I opened the cap.
You know I'm going long there.
After I opened
yeah,
You did. Oh, I think it could come out a little bit too much there.
Ella,
I think you should keep the little bit of the cap on. What do you think? You think so too? I think so.
Now, clean it up again.
There we go.
so
More mess.
I have
right
it.
there, I add again.
Oh, but it's so big. Oh, I need some more.
So right now I'm gonna use a 5-minute stop loss because that's what it shouldn't get for now. I know it's I'm just MacGyving how I want to manage the trade
No, stop.
because I wasn't able to get the price I want,
I need one
but I don't want
more
to miss the
to
trade, so I
then
have
it will be
to
done.
find a way.
I think it's enough.
You think it's enough?
All clean.
Ah, me gusta.
Nice.
Very nice. Good job.
Mixing
Next
And
thing,
what color you making now?
green.
Oh, you're still with green.
I'll go clean my brush. No, it needs some yellow.
Okay, so Spy now is interacting and it seems to have a different momentum.
Mm-hmm.
I
For
need some
Spy.
white, so white.
It's still in the 5 minutes, it's still a young candle, but it seems to have a different momentum for Spy.
Enough of white. There.
So Spy's candle seems to be wanting to make a bullish candle.
Is it great?
Is that gray, you mean?
Is it?
Princesa, ¿qué dijimos?
Are
I
you
think
not?
so.
Ella, ¿qué dijimos?
¿Qué
Que,
pasa?
que todavía hasta que tía María y papá no terminen, stay there.
Okay, the tape on PLTR is going really freaky.
Yeah.
It's going super freaky.
Ricky?
It's a freaky. It's a freaky, Ella.
I'm not freaking.
You're freaky too?
No.
Oh. I'm freaky.
No. I'm looking in my box now.
Makes sense.
Something I like when I have my levels done from the pre-market is like you see that 88 on PLTR,
That was huge, right? And we put that there. I remember
but
putting
it's
it there.
yeah, like well, it's still a huge like uh, that level is supposed to be, in my opinion, it should be cleaner. Like it's like the way we are hammering that level is like you know what, we're gonna really have somebody have to show up with decent size and really do something there. But the way we have been playing around there is too low. So
Yeah, don't mix them.
in a market that is going down,
Mexican dip. So
well now Spy is trying, but
Yeah, so Spy now has crossed the VWAP for the first time since the open. Ah.
my green is made. Now to start making. Okay, Let's start. Look at the purple Marie.
Me gusta.
sorry.
My pink. Oh, no. Okay, go here. Here. Like the pink. Here. Start.
I'm almost convinced of being out of this trade. I'll be back in a bit.
Yeah, no stress.
Oh,
Okay, we're back.
So I'm cleaning it up right now.
I like that. Look at Spy.
Yeah.
I need to
Like when I look at it last time, it was really going higher.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's hammering the VWAP one more time.
a little pencil. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the little pencil.
Oh, it's so small.
No PLTR for you, Zach?
Not yet. I could have gotten at the VWAP.
You say you had a level at around 90, right?
Yeah, 90. And I had a level at 88.50,
Mm-hmm.
88.
Okay.
Like now it's coming out of the level. But,
See how it looks?
I'm happy with the day. So.
Nice.
You had a good day too, I think. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a great day.
Very good. So,
and you, Marie,
Yeah, I feel like no, me, it's not a good day.
Nobody's
But
coming back. Coming back.
oh yeah. But
Take your
hey,
time.
like I said, it feels a little bit awkward. But yeah, I'm glad that I'm back. Because I keep seeing PLTR at that level long.
Yeah.
So it's either the plantain that I got right there, but I don't see it short at that level.
But I don't think you are wrong. Like
What
because
should I
that's what I like. What happened? I am bidding for the short because it
Yeah, well, you had such a good price, right? So,
no, not anymore. Like right
No?
now, it's a trade I retook at 88.20.
okay.
Like, but the good price was at around 89.50, 89.40. It's just it didn't get me filled. So, but what I'm saying here, like, if we clean the chart, like, look at this. This is the play I don't know how to call. I have to find for a name for this play. So, like, let's say we ignore the one to the downside because it put too much in your favor, but this is unable to make higher highs. It was unable to make higher highs. So the big thing you have in your favor for your long is that 88 doesn't want to let it go.
Mm-hmm.
So we are trending down, but 88 is saying, you know what, I am not letting it go. So like it won't let it go. Once 88 let it go, then I am sure about it. But do I have a good price? No. The good price was
I got
whatever
a,
above 89.
got a little boy for the glitter.
That you have in your hands is paint?
No?
In your hands? No, that yes, but that's paint?
Yeah?
Okay.
When I'm painting, sometimes it's got in my hands.
Okay, honey.
It's a glitter.
Let me guess. When you paint, you don't have paint on your hands?
Yeah.
Me,
I'm talking to Papa.
not much. It happens sometimes, but like when I'm painting like the house or when I'm painting.
I'm painting the house.
No, in the house, yeah. Like yeah, well, if it's a big thing, I get all messy. Oh, there are prints above the offer that I don't like there
I'll come back.
at 88.
We'll be here.
So I'm gonna have to rely on something different like this PLTR. I just maybe I just wanna be out. Let's see. 88. I know you don't wanna let it go. Yeah, but that volume is to the downside, my guy.
Agreed.
Well, yeah, it's very hard to determine that one there. I think.
I think this is where we're going to see it happening. I want to eat that little girl up.
Ella, if you're gonna be keep going up and down, you can leave the door open. I just left it closed because you were staying here.
Nice that she closes it back.
Daddy,
Yeah, when I went up,
can
I
you
found
open
Dumbo.
the glitter?
Oof, no, we are not playing with that.
But I want to put it on my painting to do it pretty. Please.
But that's gonna make a big mess.
But I will be careful, okay?
Let's make a deal.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a little bit of this,
If I need more,
like a quarter of it, like
if
that.
I need more, you can.
So if you need more, not today. No, you're gonna make a big mess.
I promise, I'm not going to do a big mess.
I'll be back, guys.
How can you refuse that? Yeah. Mm.
But I only win one time.
Only one time? I love that.
But
You're
Daddy
so
win
honored.
a lot of time.
Really? Are you learning for daddy?
But I win a lot of time. I play a lot of times this game, and today is Daddy's first time.
It was daddy's first time?
But he's so good.
I love that you are the biggest fan of Papa. Hmm? Papa is good, when he plays games.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm? Papa es muy inteligente. También.
I need some light.
One day you'll play trading with her. The game will be trading.
Yeah.
And she will learn from Papa.
She wanted to learn for sure.
Did the tape flip on PLTR?
Now I'm ready.
Are
Like-
you?
Yeah.
I like.
Like, to be honest,
What
like,
should I draw? Mommy, what should I draw?
You know what? To help the snow go away, I think a beautiful tree and flowers. And that's going to help the snow to go away.
No.
You want the snow to stay?
I want this snow to go away by itself.
Dumbo, quiet, Dumbo. Yeah, Marie, the tape doesn't look long on PLTR.
No,
And like
it's just
what
me.
I see, like the same thing that you were talking. It doesn't want to go below 88, but the volume one more time, step down even lower than what we were trading before. Of course, it's staying almost 11, but it's so curious that it stepped down when it's trying to go higher. So I'm like my level of patience with PLTR is really running short of it. So like I mean, or I de-risk the trade, or you move, or I go out completely. So it's lasting too long.
Agreed.
If it breaks, it's gonna be pretty, but
Mom, I don't like
Nvidia is so weak.
yeah, Nvidia is the weakest one. That's why.
-4, 4.7.
Well,
That's why I was expecting like my guessing for today is that Nvidia is gonna end today at the low of the day, like at the lowest price possible for today.
And they had good earnings though.
Yeah, they had good earnings. It's
The expectation I think were too high for
yeah.
good point.
I think it's overall market related. The reason why we keep going down everywhere. But like I don't know if you hear, today I was telling Marie that if Nvidia go below 100, I'm gonna be buying it on my long-term account, and it will be too hold for forever.
Forever. Okay, market is going kaboom. It's going really pulling back. Really pulling back.
Turururing, turururing. Y olore va a llover. Y eso es lo que le gusta. Hay que poner el café. Damn it, then go down. That's what you want to do. That's what it wants to do. And it's like, right now it's gonna, rip faces toward the hope side? Like,
rib faces toward the upside. Now, that's crazy.
Yeah, there is a lot of prints above the ask. So because I see a lot of prints above the ask, it's like it's really hard to gauge. You're having fun, Maria?
How do we say? Always?
Feeling the softly flow. Oh, tape acceleration. Now we're gonna have some move.
And it's going.
Kara, the low of the day. Give me the low of the day. PLTR. I'm talking to you.
Oh,
I'm
and
talking to you.
you are
PLTR.
supported by SPY. Good job on your trade, guys. I finally got out of it. Ay, ay,
I'm not
ay.
convinced. You know. I'm really not
Funny.
convinced of that. Renji.
Mhm.
Whoa.
Look what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, honey. You need a pen?
I need that.
You need help with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Papa, why you have a camera here?
Because in the Tia, like we are in YouTube, so Tia Maria and Papa has a show of trading, so the camera is to see our faces.
Oh.
Yeah, you can take it back. It's all good.
I can see them, Papa.
No, we don't see them, but they can see us.
Why?
Because that's how it works, honey. It's a one way. Just look at the volume of that candle.
Well, this is the last time I'm trying PLDR long. I've been on a suicide run this morning. Yes, I have. You're having fun, eh?
Papa, I made a hole.
Take another in there. Look. My garbage bin is gonna be full very soon. Right there.
See, there's been a lot of cleaning up, you know.
Yeah.
It's good that she cleans up her mess. Both of them are so cute for that. Oh, another mess. Ay, puppy.
It's okay, you can use mine. Ah, it's already full for real.
I love it. And it's true. When they come home, they're so cute for that. Oh, we did such a mess everywhere. We need to clean up. Yeah. There's messes everywhere. You're back? You got everything?
Hi.
Yeah.
It'll be fun today.
I'm being funny? Ah, well, thank you. It hasn't been fun the last 3 weeks, so I'm glad I'm funny today.
Guys, I'm very close to be out of that PLTR. My patient is out with, so it's just a matter of I am looking at the tape. I know I may regret it to go out, but you know what? I say I go out or I de-risk it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna de-risk it. So
That's a good second choice.
yeah, at least like that I can hold it. But
De-risk it. I don't think that word exists, but I like the way it sounds.
I made two holes, but it's okay.
I think it exists. Let's just check. I think I did hear somebody saying that.
Yes, it exists.
It exists?
Yeah,
I like it.
make something less risky.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, it does exist.
Hey.
So I need to go. Things to do. So
Okay.
People to
Have an-
see.
have
Enjoy.
an online exam. So
Oh,
Aye,
good
aye.
luck. Kick some butts.
yeah,
You
but it's
soon-
simple. It's like safety and workspace thing.
Okay.
Oh, workplace health and safety.
Yeah,
You're gonna do great with that.
yeah.
Very nice.
Well
So
done.
I'll be there tomorrow. I don't know if you're streaming tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. Up to now, we're gonna try to do it every day.
Okay.
If something happens in between or we get too busy, I will let you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Good
tomorrow, guys.
luck.
See you
Good luck.
then.
Bye.
Have fun.
Bye bye.
Nice guy, Isaac.
Yeah, yeah. That's my guy.
Yeah. I love when you say that, you guys. My guy. That's my guy. Okay, so Spy's doing something good, and finally we've got PLTR crossing,
Yeah,
both
broke through.
VWAPs. OMG, it hurt me. I said it was the last time I was playing with you long, eh?
Mommy, what's your favorite color?
I would have to say blue and red. I know. I really like red.
Blue pad or blue fonte?
Bleu Royal.
We don't have it.
You can make it though. Okay. Do you know what Bleu Royal is?
Yeah, but I don't know how to make it.
If you take light blue
Okay.
that you have and you put a little bit of black, you could make a Bleu Royal.
Okay.
But not too much black because then you're gonna have a either navy blue or a midnight blue, and that's not a royal blue. I know. Men see blue.
So to me, that's a week off trade. So I retook it
Oh, look at you.
because he just got me out because it's a shake out move.
Some blue pad.
So if you got shake out, you re-enter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, the video. Found you. Yeah. Papa, can you help me open it, please?
Yeah, honey. Yeah, it's gonna get me out one more time. Probably.
What's your favorite color, Ella?
Uh,
I really like what how Spy's reacting right there. Okay, so is PLTR going to make a new high, or is it going
Yeah,
to
it seems to
flush
be
from
going higher.
there? Yeah, I think so
my
too.
favorite color is purple, and this color, but it's not red.
No, it's
It's brownish.
it's cherry.
Oh yes, I love it.
You do, eh? You love cherry. I like it too. I like that color. It's like a red, but it's not a red. Oh, it's a Christmas red. Oh, then that. Okay. That's why we like it so much, because we love Christmas.
I don't love. I don't
You-
love it because that, but I love it because the color.
Okay. It's not because
I
it's a
love this
Christmas
color.
red. Okay.
And I love,
I love that.
pink, purple, red, and this color.
Me gusta mucho. I bet that's one of Mama's favorite color too.
No, it's
Yeah.
only green.
I don't know. I think she likes Christmas red.
No, it's only this red and green.
She knows our patterns.
Yeah.
It's only green her favorite color, but when we want to watch Puppet World, he don't want to be walking, he wants to be also. Oh, Mommy, look at me.
That's almost a burpee, actually. She's in shape.
I'm almost a pro of this.
Almost? What you talking about? You are? Almost. Come on. Oh, you're killing me. You're
Yeah.
killing me.
The LTI is really
It's killing me.
very yucky.
Oh.
I took the loan there just to know it. Like, I took it a couple of minutes ago, and it is going to get me out apparently. So let's see. It's
It's killing me. Softly.
it's okay. No, I'm not a fan of flipping my head around those things, but like,
It's big blue, Ryan.
No.
Yeah.
Did you? You were capable of that. Well, I like the way Spy is not. It is a blue. Look at you making blue royal. Incredible. Aye. Beautiful. That's exactly my favorite color. Royal blue. It brings my eyes out. Okay, so look at Spy at the moment in the 5 minutes.
yeah, and Spy is trying to do
I like it.
like, but those big candles toward the downside are like, So as I say, I flip. I'm going low on PLTR.
Well, that is, you are so in tune today. I love the way that you're seeing things, your flexibility, because that's what it's all about. I wasn't flexible as you, so I got, but wow, good job on flipping. That's amazing.
that I am not convinced of it, but
This is gonna sound very crazy, Davey. But since I did not, and I was like trading and watching trades, and joining your channel a couple of times when during my sick leave, and I've been so in tune with the tapes, but because that's all I had access to. So right now, it's almost like the charts are overwhelming me and not focusing on that tape. So I think tomorrow it's going to be a little bit better. Okay, so I like the way SPY is interacting with the 200 EMA, but we'll see.
I'm trying to make
PLTR is killing me softly.
Papa, what? I know your favorite color is blue, but is it the blue ball or blue foxy?
I like many blues. Blue pal I like.
But only one. They just choose only one color.
Okay, blue pal.
Okay.
I never seen you wear blue pop.
I don't wear necessarily the color I like.
Well, that's smart.
If you want to choose your other favorite color, the blue, you can do it because I will make them.
Okay, blue should be good for now.
Which blue?
Paul.
Okay. Maybe I can make you a double. Is that a great idea?
Yes, so.
Yeah, sure.
And how we make blue fonts?
How did you make the blue royale? What did you add?
Black and black and
What did you use?
blue pie.
Yeah.
Does make
It makes bleu foncé.
but it makes blue royale.
See, but if you add a little bit more black, what do you think is going to happen?
Oh, okay.
This is a beautiful morning. I love being here this morning. I'm so happy. Oh.
I'll come back.
I'm with
Oh,
Papa.
yeah.
I'm with Ella.
This was mine. It was mine.
You know what? I'm going to bring some more tomorrow.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is my name. Mine, you see?
Okay,
I love it so much because
Baby,
it's
89.
Stitch.
Yeah, I see.
it's Stitch.
Yeah.
See?
He's kicking.
Stitch and Lilo.
He's kicking.
You know what movie I saw?
No.
Es muy bueno. I love the movie Encanto. Okay, let's go, PLTR. Let's go.
Did you saw Mara?
No, but I did see Ibit,
Ay, ay, ay.
and you know what happened to Ibit, so I'm figuring.
No, I
that-
don't know why. Oh,
No.
yeah, the same movie, yeah.
Exactly. So since they were aligned this morning, caca.
And Tesla was like selling, like Tesla was up like 3%, I think it was. I don't remember, to be honest.
Tesla's doing a Christmas tree, or the megaphone, as you say.
But this is not looking that good, Tesla.
No, under 3.
PLTR breaking through.
Let's go.
How would we make again blue fonts? say.
with a little bit of black.
Is it a little bit of black? How much black?
A lot.
More than what the Royale did, right?
Oh,
But do it in you put a little, you put a little, you put a little. Make it happen. Papa.
You know, if you say a lot, is she gonna put half of the bottle?
we try and
That's why you cannot say.
okay.
But she knows.
And
Muy inteligente, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't like that it's not able to really hold the 89. You need to hold and
Yeah,
cross
but
with the
look
89.
at my chart.
Yeah, yeah.
That was the biggest level at the pre-market.
89, eh?
That line is there from pre-market.
Okay, now it's
So
printing ahead.
You should expect a little pullback from there, but not by a lot. And the volume is going higher and higher, so it's looking okay. Like,
What I'm concerned right now is that the level on SPY is at the VWAP. Right now it's going to be interacting, and we know the VWAP can really pull market up, pull market down. Okay,
Up.
89.
down.
Up and down. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. It took a lot
And when I put Nvidia
of
on a place, I
effort.
can see
A lot of effort there.
Nvidia and SPY gonna be in this thing here, just in case the market wants to reverse. Yeah, so let's see.
who is it? I'm searching for the black.
Through the window.
What's here?
To the wall!
Back to life. Back to reality.
Maria, you love it? Look.
Oh, I like it a lot, but I would love it. I would say love it if it would be mixed, but it's not done yet. So I don't know if I'm gonna love it or not.
Black. Little bit more black.
Do you think so? Are you making a midnight?
No! I forgot. But I'll put some white.
You have a very good grasp of color mixing. I like it a lot.
White done.
We've been working on that a lot. We've been making rainbows, all kinds of really cool stuff.
Yeah, I remember that. When Lila was not saying the colors.
Oh, I know. And all of a sudden, kaboom! We knew that she knew our colors. You know what? I'm gonna take some. Let's be disciplined.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
You want some black?
I knew you were going to do that. Well, not that much, no?
I'll put a little more blue.
So what are you trading?
PLTR.
Long?
Yeah, I just have an order to take some partial. Should be okay there.
Now we take it on a paper. Ooh, it's great.
It's great? Okay, so right there, if we're looking at PLTR at that level, yeah, like you said, Davey, that's why it's such a big level. We've got 88, that was huge. We've got 90, that's another huge one. Okay, SPY is crossing the VWAPs, both VWAP, and now it's going to be interacting with the 50 EMA. So, what's going to happen there? If it crosses there, it should go a little bit of a kaboom. '89 PLTR, come on. Lost 89 and violently.
I'm out with a little partial like so piece of crap. So as I say, what do I wanna do? If this happens, I wanna go short than BDA, and that's what we are doing. Why no PLTR? Because PLTR is stronger. And I have paid the price for PLTR being stronger, so
I'm making a surprise for Daddy and my face.
Oh, you're making a surprise.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm watching the tape on NVIDIA and it's like, ooh, not good.
yeah, like to the downside, yeah, it's super weak. I don't know why. Yeah, like you have 1840, like 1940, 1900, 1880s.
Very rangy too.
Yeah,
Ooh.
but I think it is attempting to break the low of the day.
Okay.
So it will be attempting to do that if the market provides the spice just flushing now. So
Interacting right now with the 200. Wanting to go through, but not a lot of participation to go through.
that's gonna be my last trade on the video, just to not give away more profit. But yeah, like,
Very nice discipline, Davey. Great trading today.
Marie, ma grande balle. C'est
Is it tan?
brun foncé. Faut faire brun foncé et blanc. Ça fait
Tan.
grande balle.
Ou caramel? Couleur caramel? Oh, I like caramel.
C'est pas couleur caramel, ça fait.
Fait pas couleur caramel. Oh, I like the way the Mara is popping back up. Wow. SPY is going through that 200. Just losing the 200. Funny. IBID. No, IBID and Mara has lost the correlation. That's not typical. Wow, what happened with Fort? Whoa. Look at PLTR at the 88 again. Eh?
Yeah, it's but
What
like
a level. What a level.
all the noise that we talk about, like you hear me talking on PLTR and taking those shit, like whatever happened in between here is just the price of not getting the good price.
Of
Why?
what?
Yeah, because if you back up the streaming, like I was trying to get 89.48. I couldn't get it. Then I jumped way too close to the 88. And yes, I last forever on that trade. Like I stayed there literally forever until the trade just didn't work. But what will happen if I get just 89?
That
Just
would've been-
89.
yeah.
It will be just okay.
Perfect. Yep.
But this is like that's why I say like, oh, I wanna go easier on my, like, for me it's gonna be easier to just whenever SPY start losing it, and SPY started losing it like a couple minutes ago, like 4 or 5 minutes ago, jump into Nvidia and forget about it. Just let it go. We're gonna go to the low of the day. Like how many people are jumping here? I mean, there's no financial advice. It's no. I'm not 100% of that, but if it's the weakest name, like it has a higher chance of going there. So out of the two, I'm trading. Let's say.
88.
So PLTR
Again.
back to 88. Yeah, but now it won't hold it. I think because the market is a little bit more aggressive. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through my trades and
Yes.
then we talk about your trades.
For me, it's going to be easy.
You're fine.
Yeah, today, yes. Like I said.
So I took the only long I took was on PLTR, and now that I see it, it's flat. So PLTR, the long was flat. At least I didn't lose money on it. So, but here, let's say at the open, I went short on PLTR at 89.06, something like that. Got out, so that's a loss. So then I short at around 89.87, something like that. At 90, I add to the short, partial right here. Then add again, partial, 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 add, all out.
Beautiful.
Short, short, didn't partial anything. Add to the short, cut out here. That was a loss. So then long, add to the long, got out, flat pretty much. But I'm green on PLTR no matter, like you said, it's a green stop for me. So NVDA, I went short here, add to the short, partial, 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 partial. No, I that was all out here, sorry. Short, add to the short, partial, 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 all out. Then I reshorted here, bad price for the short, got out with a loss. And now I short here, and this is my last trade. So I'm gonna try to hold for longer because I think what is
Beautiful.
in the plate.
Great trading.
But yeah, green day, good day. In
Yeah,
general,
really
so-
good, Dre. You saw, and that's what, for me, like I said, I think that the fact that I was maybe with, like I said, a little bit too on the emotional side today. Very happy to be back, happy to be trading, having maybe not enough discipline, jumping in, and really believing. I think way too much believing into the long, into the strength of SPY. I think it was trading with my heart a little bit too much today. Got me the full plantain that it is going to happen, which it did not. I did not pay enough attention on the tape, and I just kept going long on PLTR. So I think I tried PLTR long. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Went short on PLTR there, but way too late. Made a little bit of money there. Then long. I think I'm up to about 12 times now. So is that crazy? Absolutely insanity. So yes, a little bit too emotional trading. Then of course you get into the I lost too much, so let's try to recoup, go a little bit too strong in the trades instead of exercising discipline. So today was not a good day today at all. Well, that's not true. I'm back. So very pleased about that.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
still very pleased, still
a
very
process.
happy, and that I'm back. But yeah, today was an emotional trading day. So tomorrow we'll need to be a little
Did you
bit
trade
more
something else? than
Avatar,
Pilgrim?
PLTR and Nvidia and INTC. So Nvidia short, so I made money there.
Nice.
But INTC again, it was the long. So for INTC, I only believed in the long, and it was and when I walked away is where it reversed. So that was just not good discipline, because I could have, if I didn't walk away, I would have been able, possibly, I'm saying that, but today I think I was just full plantain. But I could have maybe reversed at the 23, but I walked away from it. So.
Understood. Like if you see that 2480, look what a level of resistance it was.
Oh yeah, it's,
It
and
just
we like
reject. It's like crazy. Oh, you had it in the next.
like I said, the levels were there. I wrote them. The 88 on PLTR was there. All the levels were there. Like I said, it was just an emotional. Same. Look, huh? All the levels were there. It's not that I did not do the right levels.
Yeah.
It's just an emotional trading. Traded with the heart today, and yeah.
Yeah.
Sadly, we cannot do that.
Yes. It's okay. It's a process. So
Exactly.
That's
Tomorrow's
another
another day.
the most important thing is that you're back. So.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be back.
So yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. As I said, this week we're gonna be a little bit more flexible. Maybe we're gonna be here a little bit later. Maybe we're gonna finish a little bit earlier. It will depend a lot in how the week go, as it's March break and we have our kids at home. But yeah, we are doing very good from last week. And yeah, if you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe, share with your friends. We are here every day from 9 a.m. In normal cases, we are here from 9 a.m. to 11:30, and that's what we do. We love trading, and hey, glad to have partners to trade with. So
Yay.
I hope everybody have a good day, and that's gonna be everything for today. Bye.
Bye.